Hello, so this is my code for my 300 CEM coursework reset. So over here you can see my activity main, the landscape version for it, and the tablet landscape version for it, and the portrait version for tablet for it. I also have activity 2 for tablet, landscape version for tablet, activity 2 for phone, and the activity home screen, which I have not yet made into for a tablet. It can be made over here, I know, but it's just the last one and it's last minute, so I don't really have the time to make it. But it's not a really hard task. It's easily doable. So over here, this is my main activity. This is my home screen Java class. You can see I'm defining here the buttons, the text boxes, everything. And here it's working. This is for the light sensor, which is on the home screen. This is a basic add function which I tried to unit test, but my unit test didn't really work out, so that's not really a success, but I've left it here just in case I manage to somehow fix it. Then we go to yeah, so here's the light sensor and the add function. On the main activity I have my what was it? I have the database working here. Show customer list on view. This is to always show the customer list, not just when you view it, but here you can see button view. It shows it here. Where else do I have it? Have it pretty much everywhere. Have it over here in the activity itself. I have it somewhere down here for the add, for example, button add, customer model, database, boolean toast, show customer list on view. You can see it's over here, it's over here, it's everywhere, and so that it can constantly update, even when you're adding a new person to the database, so that it would show. Next one is fetch address intent service. I made this trying to get geocoder to work to convert latitude and longitude coordinates into an address, but it's giving me a GPRC error, which I am uncertain how to fix as of this point. But I've left it here because it's not giving me any errors, and it might be fixable in the future. Next one is the database helper. I'm using this to create my database and to update it, upgrade, to add to it, and delete people from it as well. Customer model is just the handling of the information, references, you know, so that it could submit the information. Constants, this was for the GPS, whether it's a success or a fail, to know if it's working or not. And then I have activity 2, which is where the GPS is actually displayed. Here I request the permissions, here I get the location. You can see this is where I tried to convert it, but actually this was for the conversion, not for the GPS itself. The GPS worked fine, but the conversion didn't. You can see here I'm trying to convert it, but some issues with it. Activities, I believe I showed you these already. These are for landscape for a tablet, tablet portrait, phone, tablet, portrait, tablet, landscape, phone. This is the only one that I haven't done really, because I did it last and I haven't had the time, but you know, here, and it's done. So let's get the app running. It's already running, but we're going to restart it. This is on the tablet. It's kind of slow. Are you going to run it today? Yep. 2, 5. So you put this down. Boom. 7. The calculator is working. Here you can see locate. First we go to the sensors. My bad. virtual sensors, additional sensors, and over here we have the light and luxes. You can see the sensor is updating, it's displaying the correct data. So that's that. So then we go to the main screen, which is this. You add a customer name, John Doe, phone number 2223, blah blah blah. Put it down. The menu itself is pushing up my buttons, so I need to sort that. You click add, you can see it's already displaying, no need to click the view button. You can add multiple ones. You see their IDs, they're auto-incrementing, they're updating, and by clicking them you remove them. Then you go to the sensor, get current location, and you can see it displays the current location. We go over here, set C casino in my hometown, 4249. Ooh, what is this? Not recognizing it. Something wrong with it. Wait, set location, Alyosha Monument, 42. Oof. Anyways, there's something wrong with it right now. I don't know why, but let's try with the phone, because I know the phone definitely, it's the same code for them, but I know the phone definitely gets the right location. Could be also the orientation of the phone affecting it, even though it's a virtual device. So we have the app, main screen, you can see the database still here, sensor, get current location, is this the location we're at? 4979, this one, Alyosha Monument, yep. Let's try with the compass, get current location, 424953, yep, 2747. So as you can see, it's displaying the location as well, and everything's fine. You can navigate back and forth. The light sensor readings are here as well. Over here we can change them if we need to. Some calculations work, so that's 2 sensors, some functions to add. You see? Well, that's about it. Thank you very much.